Hey Algebra 1, we're back in the basement. We're still going with our exponent rules. Today we're doing the exponent power rule. This is when you have it set up with terms inside a bracket and a power on the outside. What we're going to do for these is, the power on the outside, that is applied to every single part of the inside. So it'll be 2 to the power of 3, r to the power of 3, and k6 to the power of 3. Now, when you're doing the double powers here, which are on a letter, we multiply the powers. You can see a small example here. b3, 5 is like b3 times 5, so it will be b15. So you add the powers when you've got two letter b's multiplying, but if you've just got one b and this double power, that's when they multiply. Speaking of b, our attendance word for the day is a picture of a bee. Try and draw me a picture of a bee. I'm going to do question 1, 2, 8, 9 from your worksheet, and you do, I think there's 10 questions left after that. They're super quick, so hopefully it won't take you too long to do that. Number 1. Like I said a minute ago, I'm going to do all of these three things to the power of 3. So I'm going to do 2 to the power of 3, r to the power of 3, and k6 to the power of 3. And remember, when I do that, they're going to multiply. First up, what is 2 to the power of 3? 2 to the power of 3, you can do it on a calculator or on a Google calculator or some kind of computer calculator, or you can just think to yourself, 2 to the power of 3, that's 2 times 2 times 2. Alright, so 2 times 2 times 2, 3 2s, is 8. Then I've got my R3, that stays the same. And 6 times 3 is 18, so I've got K18. That's my answer for question 1. So the things to be aware of here, make sure you do the powers right. 2 to the power of 3, 2 times 2 times 2. And when we've got the double powers, we multiply them. Alright? Let's do question 2. So just like before, I'm going to do both of these to the power of 4. 7 to the power of 4 and C3 to the power of 4. And when I do C3 to the power of 4, they're going to multiply. Well, it's better. 7 to the power of 4 is 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. 4 7s multiplied together, which gives you this number. 2401. 3 times 4 is 12, so I've got a C12. That's my answer for number 2. Not so bad. Number 8. Same thing as before. 9 to the power of 4, n2 to the power of 4, h5 to the power of 4. So 9 to the power of 4 is like 4 9s multiplied, 9 times 9 times 9 times 9, which gives you this number, 6561. n 2 times 4 becomes n8. h 5 times 4 becomes h20. That is my answer. Don't try and put these letters together in any way, alright? They're different letters, they don't gel, they just stay separate. Like they did in the last couple worksheets we've done. Finally, number 9 here. So these are the 4 at the very top of your sheet. 5 to the power of 4. C3 to the power of 4. So C3 to the power of 4 is basically just 3 times 4. 5 to the 4 is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, 4 5s. And that becomes 625. C3 4 is 3 times 4, which is 12. C12. There's my answer for number 9. So give me a picture of a B if you can. Email me any questions you have. Hopefully you'll be able to do this really well. You guys are doing great so far, okay? Just keep it up.